Hello, Velvet.
Yes.
I need your help.
Welcome, Loyalty Squad. This is the Velvet Locks with another wonderful video for you today. I'm going to show you how to make this smoothie called Sunshine in a Bottle, and it's delicious. It's going to fill you up, and it's for weight loss. Okay, it's so easy to make. So I'm going to show you some of the things that you're going to need for this wonderful smoothie. You're going to need some ginger root. You're going to need a lemon. You're going to need some vanilla yogurt. You're going to need some honey, and you're also going to need some turmeric powder. Okay, you're also going to need a blender, so make sure you have your blender ready. So we're going to start off with our lemon. Now, first of all, we're going to need at least 2 tablespoons of our lemon zest. So I'm just going to zest this lemon up. And I love the smell of the zest. Oh my gosh. You may need at least 2 lemons, because, yeah. Alright, that's not quite 2 tablespoons, but you're going to need at least 2 lemons in order to get a nice amount of zest from your lemons, okay? And it smells wonderful. Oh my gosh. Next, we're going to need 2 tablespoons of our lemon juice. Alright, so next we're going to need 1 tablespoon of our ginger root. And no, don't ask me about powder. We are not using powder. Alright, so get your grater. Alright, so 1 tablespoon. Okay. Might as well put everything in there. Now we're going to need 1 cup of our yogurt. Okay, so we're going to need 1 cup. One cup of vanilla yogurt. And we're going to put that inside of our blender as well. Okay, next we're going to be using 1 tablespoon of honey. And lastly, we're going to need 1/8 of turmeric powder. 1/8 teaspoon of turmeric powder. And now we're just going to blend that up. And then you just pour it in your cup, and you have a wonderful, delicious smoothie. Wow, look at that. You pop that straw in there. This is a wonderful, zesty, I would say kind of like a dessert smoothie. Okay? And it's called Sunshine in a Bottle. Alright? So thank you so much for joining me on this wonderful video. This is for weight loss, you guys. Weight loss. These are things that you can create to keep you on your journey. This way you won't stray and eat those unnatural sweeteners, unnatural snacks, things that will add the weight. This is stuff that you can create in your kitchen that will keep you on track with your weight loss journey. And it's delicious. Alright? So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe down below. Thumbs up this video if you want to see more videos like this. Also, check down below where you can find straws. Okay, links to the metal straws that you've been seeing in these videos, as well as the personal NutriBullet, the full-size NutriBullet, and more. I got wonderful links down there that you can actually purchase these items for yourself. And don't forget to also check out my other channel, which is called Velvet Vlogs. I will leave that link down below in the description bar. And if you also want to be a blessing to this channel, I have links down below that you can also donate. If you desire to donate to this channel, that's a blessing as well. I have links down below for that too. Alright, so don't forget, until the next video, you guys, I will see you then. Welcome, YouTube family. This is the Velvet Locks introducing to you my new channel. And this channel is called Velvet Vlogs. On this channel you will see hair videos, skincare videos, as well as family vlogs, okay? So check it out, go down below, click those links, and subscribe, as well as turn on your notification bell. And I will see you there.